part number 2 of episode number 9, and here I cover our visit to Jainath temple at Adilabad.
तो ये हम पहुंच गए हैं जयनाथ, आदिलाबाद से अराउंड 20 किलोमीटर दूर है और ये हमारा आज का एक ही डेस्टिनेशन है। ये आप देख सकते हैं मेरे पीछे ठीक मंदिर है, काफ़ी पुराना मंदिर है। ये लगभग 1000 साल पुराना मंदिर है जितना मैंने सुना है, और शायद पल्लवास के टाइम का है। मैं अभी देख के इसको कंफर्म करूँगा।
Sri Narayan Swami temple, also known as Jainath, is an ancient temple built by Pallava chiefs located in Jainath, a small rural hamlet and mandal in Adilabad district of Telangana. At a distance of 0.5 km from Jainath bus stand, 22 km from Adilabad railway station and 327 km from Hyderabad, Sri Narayana Swami temple is situated at Jainath. The temple has several stone inscriptions depicting the history of the temple along with slokas inscribed on it. Pallavas are famous for their rock cut and structural temples. The temple has a Prakrit stone inscription depicting the 20 slokas, which establishes that it was constructed by the Pallava chief and were believed to have accorded royal patronage for this village. Stone inscription in Devanagari script. It starts with Surya Narayanaya Namaha and ends with Mahavira Nama Aditya Pratapavan Pallavijayaditta. It's all about Surya Namastuti slokas. That's why this temple is called Surya Narayana Temple too. It records the military achievements of King Jagadeva, son of Udaditya of Parmara family. It also records foundation of an Agrahara, erection of a temple of Nimbaditya by Padmavati, wife of Lolarka. This temple is also popular for its Jain style architecture, thus the village is called Jainath. The pillars inside the temple are extensively carved with beautiful sculptures. The outer walls of the temple and the Vimana over the sanctum exhibit wonderful piece of artwork. Jainath temple is one of the ancient pilgrimage centers in Adilabad and also an important architectural monument of Pallava dynasty in Telugu region. This is a small structure built on a platform which is 2 feet high. The temple is dedicated to Lord Lakshmi Narayana. The idol of deity in the sanctum sanctorum is 6 feet tall in standing position and is made of black stone. The temple faces east. It is erected on a high jagati which elevates the temple structure from its surrounding area. The jagati serves as an open promenade and pradakshina patha around the temple. The compartments of the temple, namely Mukhamandapa, Antarala and Garbhagriha, connected internally and externally. They are planned on one single axis which runs east-west. The walls of the temple constructed with large blocks of dressed stones. The temple seems to have been constructed in 12th century AD in Hemadpanthi style. The idol in the sanctum sanctorum is 6 feet tall and is made entirely of black stone. The compartments of the temple, namely Mukhamandapa, Antarala and Garbhagriha, connected internally and externally.
देखिए इधर इधर ভেতরে নিস না हालांकि अंदर फोटोग्राफी अलाउड तो नहीं है, यहाँ पे नोटिफिकेशन लगा हुआ है, लेकिन मैंने पूछा तो मुझे बोला चलता है। सो आप देख सकते हैं पीछे कितना सुंदर काम है यहाँ पर। ये पिलर्स हैं, ये देखिए।
So friends, with this I come to the end of episode number 9. Till I come up with another fascinating episode on this great journey, do take care of yourselves and bye for now.